Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how can you edit your PDF file for free. So let's get started. So here is my PDF file, you can see here. So if I want to edit something or date or anything, I can easily change it within 1 minute. So for that I have to go on my Google Chrome and then search for pdfescape.com. Just open it and you can see the pdfescape online PDF editor, and just go and click here free online, and then just upload your PDF file. So I'm here, I just click here, and even I can drop it here or choose from file. So for now I'm just choosing file. So this is my file, PDF file, you can see here. So it's loading. Now you can see here the text and whiteout. So with these two function we can, and I will cancel it, and you can see here I will cancel it, and you can see here if I want to change this name, then I can easily change here anything whatever I want. So today is date 2/19/2021. so if I want to edit this, then I will go and click it here whiteout. After that, clicking on whiteout, it will enable, and I will select the space. After this, you can see here which part of the whiteout is white, and then I will disable this, and you can see it is removed with white color. And after that I will add here text, and I will click on text, and you can see here I will just place it here and write it here to 1921, and even I can bold this. Okay, I'll go back and then select all, and you can see here the function. Here is the font, I can choose any which I want, and even I can bold it and increase the font size. Put it here or 15. Done. I will disable it, and you can see here it hasn't changed. I can change anything whatever I can change it here. And if it happens, suppose I want to edit more, then easily I can just white it out here. Done. I will disable it and text here and write it whatever I can write, and disable here. It has been done. After that I have to download this PDF file. So after that I will click on here save and download PDF. I will click here, and then it will download, and you can see the below 3 is the name of this PDF file, and I will show you here. Start download. It has been downloaded, and I will show in documents PDF3. This is my file, and you can see here this is my first file which I have to edit, and I have changed the date and this registration number, and this is the file. I have changed the date and this registration number. So in this way, using this pdfescape.com, you can easily edit your PDF file easily without investing any money. It is absolutely free, so you can try it here. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video.